Hello, my name is Rod Patterson, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Sounds of Knowledge Youth Showcase. I know you're probably wondering exactly what we are. You probably got a call from one of our representatives or an email, or maybe even one of your students approached you and asking you about bringing our program to your school. Well, I'm going to explain to you exactly what we are. I'm going to keep it simple. What we are is a school touring program. Basically, we go into high school, middle schools, and elementary schools, and we use music to get the kids' attention. And once we have their attention, then we'll slip a say no to drugs or a positive message on the kids. Or sometimes we could weave in whatever front burner issues going on at that particular school to the kids, and it's more effective than us older people coming in and trying to tell the kids don't do this and don't do that. Now, some of you out there might be saying to yourselves, we don't know if we really want the program, or it might not be good timing for you right now. Here at soundsofknowledge.com, in our organization, we feel that you need the program. Chicago, 36 gang-related teens killed this year alone and counting. St. Petersburg, Florida, 8-year-old girl killed in her house by teens shooting up their house, over 50 shots. Shot into the house. Here in Atlanta, 11-year-old kid hangs himself. Bullying, peer pressure. And the list goes on and on. Moss Point, Mississippi, teens rob and kill. Someone pumping or at a gas station or something like that. So we know that this is enormous needs. And also from our own experiences, while we've been out on tour, we've had kids approach our entertainers and tell them things like like their fathers beat them, or we actually stopped some kids from committing suicide. So this is a little deeper than just music in the school. With all that being said, I know you need the program. As a matter of fact, I think the nation needs this program. But we have to start somewhere. So let's just start with your area, your school, your kids. So, check out About Us, get some information about us, request the program, and if you still don't have enough information or you need something from us further, feel free to contact us. I'm Rod Patterson. Thank you for your time, and God bless.